friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're gonna do a quick hands-on of the latest mid-range smartphone announced by Samsung, the Samsung Galaxy A50. So Samsung Galaxy A50 is a mid-range smartphone announced with good hardware and good features. So in this video we'll have a first look and we'll talk about our first impressions using the device. So we tried the device at MWC 2019 and here are our impressions. So first let's have a look at the display. So this device comes with a 6.4 inches Full HD plus resolution display. It's a 1080p by 2340 pixels and it comes with 19.5:9 aspect ratio, and it's a Super AMOLED panel, and it also has the Infinity U notch. That means it's a water drop notch. You can see the notch on the display. It looks pretty small, and the display quality is one of the best we have seen in this price segment. It's a Super AMOLED panel. That means the colors are rich, vibrant, and even the viewing angles are really great. The touch response also feels very smooth. So that's the display aspect. It's a large display along with the Infinity U display. Now looking at the back panel, here you can see that it's a glossy finish. Even though it feels like glass, it's a plastic finishing, and you also get the triple camera setup on the rear panel and also Samsung branding. So the device has a curved edges, thereby giving it a good feel altogether when using the device. So that's the Samsung Galaxy A50 with the coral color. So it also comes in white, black and blue colors as well. So now moving on to the software of the Samsung Galaxy A50. So this device comes with the Android 9.0, that's the latest version of Android. Along with that, it also comes with the One UI. So One UI is the latest UI from Samsung, which replaces the Experience UI. So One UI offers a plethora of modes and options. It is more customized and organized UI, giving good experience overall when compared to the previous UI. So we have lots of additional features and modes included. So if you have previously used Samsung devices, you might know most of the features available in the One UI. So that's the software aspect. So overall it feels polished UI. We'll have to test the UI in detail to get an idea about how good the experience is. So as of now, it does come with the latest version of Android. Now it also comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner. So that's something which Samsung has implemented on this device. The mid-range segment devices also get the in-display fingerprint scanner. Now this is powered by the Exynos 9610 octa-core chipset with either 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, or 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage. Now the important aspect is the cameras. It comes with a triple camera setup, and this has 3 cameras on the back panel, and this is one of the important aspects of this device. So it comes with a primary 25 megapixel camera, and it also has a secondary 8 megapixel wide angle camera and a 5 megapixel depth sensing camera, along with a front camera which is a 25 megapixel shooter. So you can see the camera sample we have taken. It looks pretty good in terms of the camera performance. Now this device also comes with a 4000 mAh capacity battery, and there is also fast charging included. And we'll also get to know other details once the device has been officially announced in India regarding the pricing. So we expect the pricing to be closer to 30k price segment, because it's a really good mid-range smartphone with a good hardware offered by Samsung. So Samsung A50 is not yet officially announced in India. We'll get to know pretty soon, and the pricing will be announced when it is officially announced in India. So that's the Samsung Galaxy A50 with the 6.4 inches Full HD plus resolution display, triple camera setup, Infinity U display, in-display fingerprint scanner, 15-watt fast charging, and also triple rear cameras, and Samsung's One UI along with Android 9.0. So that's all guys with the hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy A50. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the subscribe button for more videos. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.